So in this Etsy tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn on two-factor authentication here on Etsy. So once Etsy's opened up, go to the top right, press on View Accounts, then press on View Your Profile, then press on Edit Public Profile, and then once you're in this screen, go ahead and press on Security right in between Accounts and Public Profile. Once you're on the Securities page right here, it'll say two-factor authentication or 2FA. For me right now, it actually is turned off, but if you want to go ahead and turn it on, go ahead and press on this, and once that is on, it basically means that when turned on, anyone who tries to sign in from a new device or browser will need to verify that they have access to your account. So sort of like maybe a Microsoft account or a Gmail account, you might get a pop-up on your phone, you might get an email, and then you got to verify that it's actually you when signing in to your Etsy account. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to sign up or how to enable or turn on two-factor authentication here on Etsy. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.